Lawyers for the well-known Colorado immigration activist Jeanette Vizguerra say that she was detained by immigration agents as part of retaliation for her well-known activism. Vizguerra famously sought sanctuary in churches to avoid deportation during President Trump's first term. In federal court this afternoon, her attorney said ICE retaliated against her in violation of her First Amendment rights. Our Spencer Soisher was in the courtroom and joins us live now from downtown Denver. Spencer, her family and supporters are making it clear why they think ICE went after her.
Yeah, they just had a press conference here a couple of minutes ago, and they made similar claims to what we heard in court today. They say agents ambushed Jeanette outside of the Target store where she worked, put her in shackles around her waist, and then told her, quote, "We finally got you." A federal judge halted Vizguerra's deportation last week after questioning the legality of the order to remove her. Vizguerra has successfully evaded deportation for years, winning multiple stays on deportation orders. Federal prosecutors have argued they have the right to deport her based on a reissued deportation order from a few years ago. Vizguerra's attorneys were supposed to argue against that today in court. Instead, they delayed those arguments and told the judge they want to add First Amendment violations to the case. That's based on that alleged "we finally got you" comment.
She went to all these protests, she went and tried to help all these people, and that's specifically why they targeted her, because she was out there talking, she was, pushing against all these problems.
Now, they made another argument for their First Amendment case. I want to show you this. It's based off of tweets from the ICE Denver Twitter account, which usually refers to people that they've detained and talks about things that they've been detained with, perhaps maybe for an attempted homicide or for carrying fentanyl in some cases, something maybe an illegal possession of a firearm. They say it points to her targeting again there because she has none of those things. She has no violent criminal history like many of the people that are being posted on that page. They say that proves that they were looking for her and targeting her because she's an activist. Mark?
Yes, Spencer, immediately after she was detained, we saw a lot of protesters going to the ICE facility in Aurora to try and protest to get her out. We've heard, though, that they are going to continue doing that.
Yeah, they said today they plan to have more rallies. They want people to show up for their rallies. They plan to make more calls, but also to be patient, that they've only got one crack at this and they want to make sure they get it right. That's part of why they did what they did today in court.
Spencer Soisher, appreciate it. Thank you.